We go from here is upon us as a nation. We have a very, very august panel joining us this evening. Rajiv Chandrasekhar, BJP leader and tech entrepreneur with us. He's also MP in Parliament. Now we have R.S. Sodhi, who's the MD of Amul. I had the pleasure of interacting with Sodhi Saab this Sunday. We'll speak more now. Mohandas Pai, Chairman RN Capital. Always a pleasure to have you with us, Mr. Pai. Deepak Singhal, former Chief Secretary of Uttar Pradesh. With him we have discussed at length as far as thinking at the block level. Can we look at clusters and blocks and can we develop them and try and have smaller economies, local economies, which will help the overall economy of the country and allow us truly to go from local to global. So I'm going to bring in Deepak Singhal on that note and then bring you Dr. Bindra towards the end and then circle back to Mr. Sodhi. So Deepak Singhal ji, Mohandas Pai has also said something which you have said, and you are doing an experiment in Mathura, I'm given to understand. 6,600 blocks, try and develop them as townships. What Mr. Mohandas Pai says is over the horizon of the next 8 or 10 years, try and invest regularly year after year to develop each of these blocks into sustainable economies on their own, so that you don't have this migration, you don't have people coming across from various states concentrated over a few urban destinations, and then you have this reverse process happening if you have a situation like COVID-19 and a lockdown.
Anand, I'll just flag 2-3 issues. First, you started off when you said that we are definitely better than other parts of the world. लेकिन मेरे सबसे बड़ी चिंता ये है मेरे दिमाग में आनंद कि जो रूरल एरिया में फैलना शुरू हो गया, अब ये जो माइग्रेशन के बाद ये प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, और रूरल एरिया में रूरल इंडिया, रूरल यूपी बिहार में जाएगा, तो ये सबसे बड़ा चिंता का विषय है. एंड आई कैन टेल यू दिस नंबर्स, इट्स ओनली गॉड कैन नो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ नंबर्स विल रीच, बिकॉज जब ये टेस्टिंग रूरल एरियाज में होगी तो जो हमारा अर्बन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर मेडिकल क्रिएट भी हुआ है, पीएससी सीएससी लेवल पर अगर आप कोई भी वेंटिलेटर लगा दीजिएगा आनंद, तो वहाँ कोई डॉक्टर ही नहीं है उस वेंटिलेटर को जो चला पाएगा. आप कितने भी वेंटिलेटर लगाते रहिए, 65,000 के 70,000 खरीद दिए, वहाँ पे डॉक्टर है ही नहीं उसको चलाने, उसकी डजंट हैव नॉलेज. Now that is the greatest challenge, because my only concern is first we can think of big policies, we can think of shift in policies, we can think of beautiful the semantics to investments from all over the world. बट जो आदमी आपका घर ही नहीं बचेगा तो उसके बाद फिर उस पॉलिसीज़ का करेंगे क्या आप बैठ के, मुझे तो समझ में आता नहीं इस बात के लिए. तो माय बिगेस्ट कंसर्न इज हाउ डू वी एड्रेस दिस प्रॉब्लम.
दीपक जी, कभी ना कभी तो ये कोविड जो महामारी है, ये भारत के अन्य इलाकों में इसका फैलना तो निश्चित है. अभी लॉकडाउन की वजह से हमने इसको डिले किया है ताकि थोड़ी बहुत तैयारी हो, लेकिन अगर आप धीरे धीरे खोलेंगे, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू ओपन अप, वी हैव टू लिव विद दिस पैंडेमिक. दैट्स द रियलिटी. At any given point in time, we have to live with this pandemic, and this disease is less deadlier than a tuberculosis. This disease is less deadlier than cholera and malaria. This disease is less deadlier than some of the other highly communicable diseases which all of India is living with, and the mortality rate is far higher even today with other diseases compared to COVID-19. So it's a reality. We have to live with it, and then we have to think beyond that.
Anand, I fully agree what you are telling. What I'm trying to flag a small issue is that since it is spreading to the rural areas, there have to be a different strategy to handle these kind of problems with this reality. I am not telling it will not happen. Second thing is, we have to introspect ourselves. It's not a question of future, it's a question of past. That how we have failed into some kind of our economic model from purely shifting from Gandhian model to the real capitalistic model, where concentration, what Mr. Pai was telling, the concentration has taken place near to the urban areas. Now there can be a middle model which I have been advocating all the time, that how do we make Bharat ki chalo gaon ki or, India to Bharat, Swaraj at block level, healthy happy India, equitable environment friendly inclusive growth economic policy. देखिए हमारी जितनी भी पॉलिसीज़ बनती हैं उसमें environment is become cleaner when lockdown was there. Again, if we go back, we have to think whether future policy should be environment friendly, equitable friendly, or only GDP growth oriented policy. So we have to make not only on economic policy on the capitalistic model, but social capitalistic model, which Mr. Pai is also advocating, and which we will try, and we are doing on the ground. We have collected all the data. Is the agro industries, agro-based industries into the area nearest to the agriculture area. If you see the Reserve Bank of India governor's today's speech. It's a very, very difficult scenario which is going to emerge in the world. If you see just 2-3 datas which I like to quote Anand for anything which I plucked in from that information, 36%. If you see the imports contracts of imports of capital goods is 57%. If you see the consumption level has fallen by 66%. If you see the global figures, the PMI has dropped down to 5.4. And what is the ray of hope the entire economy with the Reserve Bank of Governor says is only the agriculture, where we have been able to have a growth of 3.4%, and where we have done the procurement of food in Punjab and certain states of Madhya Pradesh and other areas. So if you see the entire ये जो इस तरह का दिख रहा है कि इसमें सारी जो निराशा दिख रही है उसमें आज की स्थिति में, तो we have to really rethink to ourselves. That is my one small issue, that how do we do it in a very fast way? How do we do? And second thing is my immediate question is the immediate relief, Anand. अभी क्या है, जो लोग माइग्रेटरी लेबर्स जा रहे हैं उनको रास्ते में मैं बहुत पटना है, and at this stage my folded hands I will tell to my all people, we all are united. The politics can take place later on, in somewhere when the elections will come. At this stage we should all join hands together, that how can we help these poor people.
I'll tell you what,
I'm in tears at least, after
I understand, sir. I understand. I'll tell you what. Just like this process has started, this process started about 25-30 days ago, where people decided they want to go back home. Now, in the next 15-20 days, and I'm going to bring in Dr. Bindra there. Dr. Bindra,